JDT Islam, Vellimadukunna, Calicut, spread over in a vast and wider campus, started its glorious historic journey in 1922, providing education and shelter to the victims of Malabar Rebellion, one of the strongest protests against British Raj in India. Today, JDT Islam has come up to a level of cosmopolitan educational complex comprising more than 25 institutions, including 3 paramedical colleges and 1 polytechnic college with excellent track records, and also working for the welfare and uplift of the orphaned and destitute children. It was really a proud moment that JDT Islam has received award from His Excellency, the Honorable President of India, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, in a function held at Rashtrapati Bhavan in 2011 for the best institution in India for its service to child welfare. JDT Islam IGNOU Study Center 1403, one of the largest and the oldest IGNOU study centers in Kerala, started functioning in the year 1989. The center is now activating 58 programs, including postgraduate courses like MBA, MCOM, MTTM, MLIS, MA in History, English, Economics, Hindi, Sociology, Public Administration, Political Science, Rural Development Education, Psychology, and bachelor degrees in History, English, Economics, Hindi, Sociology, Public Administration, Political Science, and Psychology, Computer Application, Commerce, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Life Science, Social Work, Library Science, PG Diploma courses, Diploma and Certificate courses. Center Amenities. The center provides facilities like spacious classrooms for counseling sessions, information center, multimedia supporting classes, spacious computer and science labs, conference hall for counselors meet, examination halls, science lab, library, spacious auditorium for induction meetings, confidential room for examination purpose, and a separate hall for assignment sortings. Gold medal winners. It is an extremely pleasing fact that we often have IGNOU gold medal winners in our center. The Malayalam film actress Miss Akhila Shashidharan, Miss Ghana, Miss Surya are some of the recent gold medal winners respectively in MA Politics, MLIS and MTTM. Induction meeting for July 2019 batch. The induction meeting of July 2019 was inaugurated by Mr. Manaj Bagji, the project coordinator, Regional Science Center, Kozhikode. Mr. C.P. Kunju Mohammed, the President, JDT Islam, and Mr. P.C. Anwar, the Secretary, felicitated. Dr. M. Rajesh, the Director, IGNOU Regional Center, Vadagara, delivered the keynote address, and Dr. Pramila, Assistant Regional Director, explained the procedures of IGNOU. A service of this center is offered to all people, irrespective of their strata. Persons from all parts of Malabar region are utilizing these facilities. Nearly 100 people are visiting this center every day, including holidays, for various services with regard to their higher education.
I'm studying BCom here from 2019. I'm a student of JDT now, and I'm very happy with the facilities provided by the JDT. Actually, they have a good administration. Even in this COVID pandemic, they are providing all the facilities, including online class and all. The counselors are making proper classes, and there also library facilities are also very good.
I'm Mardika. I'm a student of JDT 2019 batch. They provide a lot of facilities even in the COVID-19 situation. They have a lot of books, a wide variety of collection, and the counselors, they provide really efficient class, and I'm really happy with the services they provide, the facilities they have, administration system, everything. Thank you.
JDT Islam Orphanage Committee is rendering all possible support and encouragement for the efficient and smooth running of this center. Plastic Free Zone campaign. As a part of the promotional activities of the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan of Ministry of Human Resources Development, JDT Islam IGNOU Study Center organized a plastic-free zone campaign on 2nd October 2019. Many students participated in the program cleaning the super speciality hospital at Kozhikode Medical College. Professor Dr. V.R. Rajendran, the principal Kozhikode Medical College, inaugurated the function. Dr. Pramila, the Assistant Director, delivered the keynote address. Mr. M.P. Abdul Ghafoor, the Joint Secretary JDT Islam, and P.K. Muralidharan, the Village Officer, felicitated. Reach the unreached people. A campaign has been done to reach the unreached people of the villages with regard to the promotion of various IGNOU courses. The village Cheruvata and Chelavur, the adopted villages of IGNOU JDT Islam Study Center as per the scheme of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, have been selected for the campaign on 24 January 2020 and have been received by them with a good response. Mr. Mohammad Safarullah, the center coordinator, officially handed over IGNOU brochures to Sindhita, the CDS chairperson at Kuruvattur. The brochures have been distributed among the academically interested people of Chelavur and Kuruvattur Panchayats. Mrs. Sindhita assured all the support in this regard. The center also introduced IGNOU courses to the faculty of AMLP School Cheruvata. An orientation program was held at Chelavur village for the staff and supporting people of the village office. IGNOU brochures were distributed to the senior students of the various institutions in JDT Islam campus to give them an idea and the possibilities of various IGNOU courses. 30 years of dedicated service. Looking back at the history of more than 30 years, JDT Islam IGNOU Study Center stands ahead, playing a very important key role in spreading higher education, particularly among the districts in Malabar region. And even now, JDT Islam is one of the largest IGNOU study centers in Kerala. The dedicated teamwork of the functionaries of the center, the relentless support of the regional center Vadagara, and the wholehearted caring of JDT Islam management have made the center the beacon tower of educational activities in the historic town of Calicut.